What's up everyone and welcome back to you on the Mooncharts, and I hope that you are doing very well as always, because yes, this is important. And happy new year, by the way. I wish you all the best to you and your family, really all the best, heals, money, absolutely everything for you. You deserve it. And yeah, also have trading goals. This is important to get goals in mind and to reach that until the before the next year, okay? And if you don't, for example, if you have a training goal, a money training goals, okay, a goal, for example, I don't know, maybe 1 million, I don't know, maybe. And if that was too high, just lower it the next year and fix another goal, you know, and you will reach it if you learn and hard work on that. You will reach it for sure, okay? I would not see why you would not reach this goal, okay? Anyway, yeah, that is important to have goals. So, yeah, today we're going to talk about the Discord server. Okay, so as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to join the Discord server, of course, the link is just right below in the description. So here, the Discord server is educational, okay? We are here to learn Elliott Wave and not badly, okay, with bullshit, absolutely, just with the real rules, okay? Because there is a lot of YouTubers and website and absolutely everything that is telling you absolutely bullshit on Elliott Wave, and that is absolutely terrible. That's why I created that also to teach to people Elliott Wave better, because that's pretty insane how some analysts, Elliott Wave analysts and website are really bad. That's crazy, and give you really bad advice, and after people are like, oh my god, this is not working, extra. So yeah, of course, if you don't learn good a TA, it's not going to work. But anyway, so yeah, this Discord server have been created some years ago now, by the way. We have done some, I have done some change for VIPs on the Discord server. Now I don't provide signals anymore because yeah, it's not it's not by following someone trades that you're going to become profitable, you know. But it's by learning a technical analysis, or not only one, you know. I personally do trade Elliott Wave, but I have some of the technical analysis also to get better trades, better entries, better take profit, better things, you know, and yeah, better profit, simply better trades. But if you learn, yeah, always learn step by step. Learn only one TA by one TA. If you have learned one and you know that one by heart, go on another one and continue learning, okay? You have your whole life for trading, so paper trade, hard work to find the best possible technical analysis that will be good for you, and that is the best to become profitable, simply, okay? So yeah, on the Discord server we have a free role, of course. You can join absolutely as a free member, get some free TA, okay? I post only bigger waves, so if you have already bigger waves, not every time. For example, this WXY we got on if I go in Bitcoin TA, for example, here, okay, that was a WXY. I posted this after, of course, of free members, because that was my prediction here. That was for VIPs, for example, on Discord server. You have also a cool subscriber role where you can learn Elliott Wave. I added a lot of features now, okay? So we are going to talk about this right after, okay? But yeah, as a free member, you're going to get my bigger waves, as you can see here. That was after, you know, after the move normally here. But as you can see, you can get some waves and be aware of what's happening at the moment on the market. And yeah, there is no any financial advice, of course. It's just what I think at the moment, what I think we're going to do, what I think we're possibly going to do. I'm not going to do 100%, I'm sure. No, we are never sure 100%. You have to know that even with Elliott Wave that are really crazy, you cannot be sure 100%, okay? And yeah, so if you're here to learn a technical analysis, hard work on that, this is the right place, and I'm going to do my best for you to learn that good, okay? So as remember, you have some free channels, of course, with what I think on, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and XRP. As a VIP, you're going to get my predictions on smaller time frame, for example, on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and XRP. Some other crypto on it depends if I'm doing some analysis on other crypto on low and bigger time frames. You will get also some VIP chats, okay? yes, remember you have also some free chat. Of course, you can chat on the Discord server. This is not really active, by the way. Remember, this is not really reactive. Last message 29th of December. So maybe you're a bit shy, I don't know. But yeah, you can talk. Of course, you can absolutely talk on the Discord server. Feel free, okay, feel free. Or the crypto community TA, for example, we have a guy that posts a lot of technical of charts. Pablo 13, for example, that guy looks really good with Elliott Waves already. But yeah, you can join. Feel free to join the Discord server, even as a free member. I don't care, you know, you whatever you want. Everyone is welcome on this Discord server. We are a community, and for real, this is in a way some community we have on the Discord server for real. That's just wow, and thank you very much, everyone. That's just really wow. Anyway, so you have a question channel, so if you want to ask me some questions, do not hesitate to ask your questions here. Post your profit, extra, where you can see everyone's profit here inside. These two guys post a lot of profits. I teach them Elliott Waves, and now that's just wow, pretty insane how they are doing some crazy gains. Wow, yeah, that's just terrible. That's just insane. But anyway. So yeah, you can see that that's just wow, crazy. Anyway, so now that was for VIPs, you know, and there is also a course subscriber rule. Okay, you can see that if you want to join the Discord server and just check out what I propose on the Discord server, you can see what the two paid roles with a monthly subscription are the course subscribers and the VIP role. And yeah, as a VIP, you can just click here and see what I propose, and for the course subscribers too, exactly the same. For the course subscriber, I did a lot of new features. For example, we have now the chart of the week, okay, chart of the week, or some patterns to find. For example, previous week I asked you course subscribers or VIPs, because yes, VIPs have also access to the course. Every course subscribers features plus my predictions and some of the charts extra and VIP channels. For example, previous week I asked you, I mean VIPs and course subscribers, to do the ship full count, okay, and to find waves, okay, find bigger waves, smaller wave, not smaller one, okay, of course not, but some bigger waves, smaller wave, and try to predict next move, okay. And after this, I have done some 2 videos, because I stopped it at the recording. I wanted to pause it, but anyway, so I have done one video of 45 minutes, something like that, where I went through this chart and I did the full wave count, okay, explain absolutely everything. Where do we start, where do we stop, what we can get here at the moment, what we can expect next, okay, and see why some patterns, well, for example, would not be possible, what that will be more places here, extra. So I really go through the chart, okay. And for example, this week I just asked VIPs and course subscribers to find some patterns, so guess the pattern, on the chart. For example, here Ethereum, what will be this pattern inside this box here, okay. And every Monday I update that, I give you my answer, I give you what I think on that. And if you have any questions, as always, you can ask that into the chart of the week chat, and you can ask me absolutely everything, okay, absolutely everything. And I think that is a good way, good way to learn, okay. So then we have questions per video. For example, if you have some question to ask on absolutely everything on Elliott Wave, on Elliott Wave mainly, of course, you can ask me that. If the question is easy to answer with only text and really quick and fast to answer, I'm going to answer that. But it's a more complex question to answer. I'm going to do a video on that. Take some questions, and after this record a video to answer every question, do some question and answer, okay, so where you have a lot of information on Elliott Waves. Yeah, that's pretty insane. What I think on a pattern, for example, on a leading or an ending, how do I trade that, for example, what I'm looking at, what I'm waiting for, absolutely everything, okay. So after this you have template and Excel chart, that more for Excel chart, so it's not another topic than Elliott Wave, but it's for more advanced people, you know, when you learn Elliott Wave. I'm going to do an Excel chart, I think, course after this, but not directly now, okay. Now, Elliott Wave course video, so I'm going to blur a link, of course, but now I'm starting to do some videos on Elliott Waves. I started previous week, and we are going to yeah, I'm going to teach you Elliott Wave step by step, you know, by following the PDF I have done on the Discord server that you can find in the PDF section here. I have done 2 PDF on range trade and on Elliott Wave, where you have every single Elliott Wave patterns with every rules well explained without big sentence. I avoid big sentence because that you will be lost otherwise, and that's not what we are looking at here. We are looking here to we are just looking to learn Elliott Wave here, that's all, and not get a lot of sentence, useless one. I go straight to a point and that's all, okay? So yeah, here we did, for example, basic Elliott Wave rules. I did basic Elliott Wave rules and patterns, so really an Elliott Wave video for beginners. If you don't know absolutely everything, you can get a video on that to start to learn step by step, okay? After this, extension tool, retracement tool, Fibonacci relation for Elliott Wave. How do I place my extension tool? What value do I use? Same for the retracement tool. How do I use my retracement tool? Which values do I use? And for example, that was for 40 minutes, where I talk about this on impulsive and correction waves. So yeah. And next we're going to talk about correction wave next week. So yeah, really nice. I absolutely love to do that. That is really nice to do that. Anyway, and that I think also it's a good way to learn, because we go step by step, okay, point per point, and that is so cool. I love to do that. Anyway, so if you are new and you want to learn Elliott Wave, I think that is the right. That is so nice. But anyway. And of course, you have not only the course, you have also my knowledge, my experience inside this course, and that is also gold, I think. Anyway, so after this, you have also video and course stuff, for example, how to find best support resistance on the market, head and shoulders with Elliott Waves. You have also some other videos I have done, some old videos I have done with wave 2, wave 4, how to buy a wave 4, how to buy a wave 2 or something like that. I don't remember exactly, that's an old video. After this, you have the PDF, okay, you have some Elliott Wave cards. So for example, right here, I have done an announcement for this. For example, I have done a card, okay, for every single pattern, Elliott Wave pattern. For example, here that was an impulsive Elliott Wave, so 1, 2, 3, or 5. I talk about smaller wave. What do we have inside each wave? For example, in the wave 1, you are going to get 5 waves, leading or impulsive. Then in the wave 2, you can get absolutely every correction patterns and a triangle. This is not likely going to be a triangle, but this is possible. It appears more in a wave 4, for example, but it is possible to get one in a wave 2. We got one 1 month ago, if I'm not mistaken, on a lower time frame on Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't remember exactly where, but I send you that on the Discord server. In free chat, so you don't have to go back if you want to find that. But this is possible, for example, and a lot are telling you no, this is not possible. Extract that, for example, that's bullshit, for example. You know. Anyway, then I talk about the retracement. So first of all, you have smaller wave, what you can get inside, what you cannot get inside. Then you have the retracement, okay, every information. For example, here in 1, 2, 3, or 5 impulsive, you have the wave 2 information, the wave 4, and some more information if there is some more information I have to give you. As I go through the extension of the wave 3, for example, I give you every target. If there is something to say, I'm going to say it. And if there is no, I'm not going to say it and only give you targets, okay? For example, here wave 5, there is two ways to play the wave 5. It depends of the wave 3, okay? So I explain you that with simply. And then I give you some tips with my knowledge, my experience, or the real Elliott Wave rule, simply, okay? So I give you some tips almost on every pattern, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not some few ones, but you have to know, everything you have to know are on these cards, okay? So I did that, for example, for ABC zigzag, ABC flat, WXY, WXYZ, ABCD triangle, 1, 2, 3, 5 leading, ending, impulsive, absolutely everything, okay? WXYZ2, yeah, absolutely everything. So that's cool, you know, if you don't want to, if you want to avoid not a big sentence, because I don't do big sentence for my PDF, for example, but if you just want to get a summary of the pattern for each pattern, you can get that, you know, and that's really, really useful in my opinion. But anyway, so after this you have Elliott Wave cards, so what I just showed you. You have also trading cards. So for example, with an 80-20 setup, you have some other strategy, trading strategy. You have some quiz. Okay, now you have one quiz per week. I just want to finish that because after this no more quiz. But you have some quiz to do. For example, I have done the first one for a general knowledge on Elliott Wave. For example, you have impulsive insight, this is exact correction, WXY, whatever, I mean absolutely everything. More impulsive, I'm mistaken, but anyway. Then you have a quiz on ABC zigzag, for example, what you have to know on that. A quiz just to ask you some questions, some difference were wrong or right. and yeah, I have done this on WXY, and I'm going to do next this week one more, and the next one more extra, okay. And then you have a channel where you can ask your questions. So yeah, I added a lot of new features for course subscribers, and after I think I will be done with with Elliott Wave course video. I think I'm going to do some videos every week, you know, where I go, for example, on the past week on a coin, and I'm going to explain what happens on that one, okay, and why, for example, that would not be this, why that will be more this, how you can find that, or how you will be able to find that simply, okay. So I would say what I'm going to do, but I think it's going to be interesting. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. So if you enjoy the content, as always, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really, really important. It helped me a lot and give me a lot of strength. If you want to subscribe to the channel, I don't know if I said that already, but you can absolutely, feel free to do it if you enjoy the content. And if you want to join the Discord server, the link is just right below in the description of this video. And if you want to look for a role, okay, you can just click here or join the Discord server and go on the shop simply, okay. Because I'm not sure I mean, yeah, you can absolutely just go on the shop and buy a role already, but you will have to join the Discord server to be able to get channels extra, okay, and to get course. So anyway, and yes, by the way, you can, if you want, for example, to refer someone, you can absolutely do that with refer command like that, and you will get a 10% discount on your subscription, okay. So for example, if you want to invite a friend, you can absolutely do that, and you have to use your referral link. So yeah, anyway, take care of you, that's important, and I wish you once again a happy new year. I wish you all the best and success in your life, okay. Anyway, take care of you, have a nice day, night, good night, I don't know, absolutely everything, and see you next time.